Namaste everyone, welcome back to Creative Ways of Life. In today's video, let's see how I made my own DIY Puja Mandir and how I have organized it. So without further ado, let's begin. I had an old baby gate lying around from a long time, which I repurposed it to make my Puja Mandir or home temple. This was a sliding gate from which when dismantled you get two mesh boards. Along with this, I also made use of a cardboard to make 3 shelves as shown here. What I did here is I bought 4 lumbers from Home Depot, which is 4 feet long for $4, and tied these lumbers to the mesh boards and a cardboard at all the 4 corners with the help of a string, so that it becomes 3 shelves. I also made the shelves strong and secure by screwing it as well, as shown here. Now I am going to cover the gaps you are seeing here in between the lumbers at 3 sides, except for the front, with the help of poster board, and I will decorate it with the help of gift wrapping paper. Let's see how I have done this. This is how it looks after covering the gaps at the back and the 2 sides with the help of poster board. I have painted the lumbers with acrylic gold color at all the 4 corners and to the front of the shelves as well. And then I measured the shelves and cut the poster board to the size of the shelves and covered it with gift wrapping paper, and then I just placed it on the shelves. I did this to make the shelves flat because the mesh had holes in it, just to make sure the things I keep on the shelves does not fall. Also, outside the shelf, I have stuck the brown contact paper so that it looks like a wooden shelf. In the front, I have decorated with some artificial flowers I had to cover the screws. Now let's see how I have organized my home temple. Again here I have covered the blue poster board with the help of gift wrapping paper. At the top shelf, I have decorated with DIY Lotus lampstand, some DIY Tealight candle holders, and some idols. All the DIYs displayed here is already in my channel. Links are in the description box below, please check. Here is the picture of Ardhanareshwara drawn by me, which represents masculine and feminine energies of the universe. I bought some bells from Michael's store and added some beads to it to make them look like hangings and hang to this random pipe I already had. This pipe was black in color, and to cover it, I have rolled this pipe with the help of jute rope. I have hanged one bell inside also. On the first shelf, I have kept very few pictures of some deities with only one lamp. I have kept it very simple. On the second shelf, I have organized all my daily prayer essentials. This tray is from Hobby Lobby. In this I keep oil to light lamp and water for my prayer. This is a DIY corner shelf on which I keep some shloka books or prayer books to chant and an extra lamp. In these white baskets, I keep some extra and quick accessories like scissors, lighter, etc. And here are my incense sticks. And in this basket, I have extra tea light candle holders and seating mat. And here is some extra incense sticks. At the top of these red boxes, I keep some DIY aarti plates or DIY candle holders. These red boxes are the empty sweet boxes in which I keep some accessories which I use occasionally during festivals. Also, I keep some extra prayer accessories like matchboxes, turmeric, vibhuti, and cotton threads, etc. In this DIY round box, again I keep the same things like matchsticks, camphor, turmeric, vibhuti, cotton threads, etc., which I use for my daily prayers. And all the wastes go into this bowl. I have sticked DIY pistachios flowers here to cover the screws, but I forgot to cover the wood visible at the center. So later I covered it with red pistachio flower. At last I sticked rangoli sticker or kolam sticker at the bottom to make it more beautiful. Thanks to my friend who gave this to me. At the top from inside, I have just placed aluminium foil paper to protect the cardboard from catching fire when I light the lamp. It is actually at a reasonable height that it won't catch the fire. Just to take precaution, I have placed aluminium foil paper. The orange color cloth you are seeing here is my old dupatta. When this mandir is not in use, I close it by leaving this dupatta open downwards. When I use it, I fold it upwards and keep at the top of the shelf. Last but not least, thanks to my husband who helped me to fix the lumbers and shelves together. Now I feel my home temple is complete. I hope you enjoyed this video. See you in the next video. Until then, stay safe. Thank you for watching.